ಅವನು ಬೆಂಡು ಹೊಡ್ಕೋತೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ Hello everyone, good evening my pretty and gorgeous ladies. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful kalamkaris. Let's start with the mannequins. The sari which I am wearing is beautiful Kanchi Kalamkari, very pretty, indigo blue with maroon combination, reddish maroon, very lovely, all over Kalamkari hand paint with lovely lotus and sunflowers, so pretty, very beautiful, lovely Kanchi border with peacocks, diamond brocade and horses, very beautiful. And this is the pallu, leaf brocade, and the blouse contrast with buttas and border. And the saree pricing and details 31,999. Take a screenshot along with the code Q577. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see one more saree. And before going to the saree details, do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook. There is Brand Mandir page అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా మా ఛానల్ బ్రాండ్ వందని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ ప్రెస్ ద bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. Let's see another saree. And this saree which is in Bhagalpuri, yeah, beautiful Bhagalpuri kalamkari. I'm sorry, very pretty maroon color with all over kalamkari florals, stems and birds with very pretty lotus, and the border is contrast red color downside, and upper side we got green color border with temples. And this is the pallu, beautiful pallu, alternate plain and ikat borders, stripes laga vachindi, slight ikat design. And the blouse, yeah, contrast red color, plain with border. And e saree pricing and details 13,200. It's a Bhagalpuri silk kalamkari, very lovely. Another saree, wow, one more Bhagalpuri saree, beautiful kalamkari which is in mustard color, mustard and chocolate brown, dark brown, and all over stems with florals, huge florals, hand painted, a beautiful plain border with temples and kaddi. And this is the pallu, very lovely kaddi lines as well as ikat stripes, ikat design to stripes vachai. Blouse contrast dark grey, charcoal grey with border. And e saree pricing and details 13,200. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash on delivery option. Another saree, yeah, it's a tussar kalamkari, beautiful, so colorful. It's a multi-colors all over body, very pretty blue, pink, beige and lovely green shades, so lovely. Too pretty kada, all over love, oka forest theme laga undi, elephants, deers, so colorful deers, peacocks, beautiful peacocks, so beautiful. And the border is kaddi border. This is the pallu with huge peacocks and zari lines. Blouse, wow, so flowery, all over kalamkari print with huge flowers and border. Beige color lo undi blouse and a beautiful saree. Pricing and details 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Very lovely. It's a tussar fabric. In each and every fabric meeku cheptanandi. Wow. Very lovely khadi kalamkari, which is in indigo blue and rust shade. Beautiful hand painted florals, floral gel all over the body and plain border with temples. Very pretty. And this is the pallu. Beautiful ikat and zari lines, ikat design as well as zari lines. Blouse, contrast, plain with border. కొంచెం అంటే ఇది వచ్చేసి మధ్యలో మనకి బాగల్పూరి ఫ్యాబ్రిక్, ఇది వచ్చేసి కాటన్, ప్యూర్ ఖాదీ కాటన్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్. సో లవ్లీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 13,760. బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలంకారీ. చాలా ఇన్నోవేటివ్ డిజైన్స్ నేను చూపించబోతున్నానండి ఇవాళ. అనదర్ సారీ. వావ్, one more Bhagalpuri, beautiful. It's a batik style lo ochindandi, butterflies anedi. It's a tie and dye florals, beautiful butterflies, very pretty grey shade, batik butterflies. And no border andi manaki. Pallu vachesi, yeah, this is the pallu actually. I'll show you. It actually, yeah, beautiful pallu kalamkari with huge florals, peacocks, very big peacock with florals, huge florals, zigzag design, diamond design. And let me show you the blouse. So pretty kada, ante manaki fusion contemporary ga unnai and manaki saree anta tie and dye ochindi and pallu and blouse vachesi kalamkari. We got lovely kalamkari blue color lo. And ee saree pricing and details only 10,240. Very fine fabric andi. Take a screenshot along with the code U319. Send us on 733-733-7000. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Very pretty green, sea green, tussar kalamkari. Leaves and florals all over body, hand painted, beautiful peacocks, florals and fishes downside in a scallop design and lovely kaddi border, the tussar. And this is the pallu, maroon color lo undandi with florals. Blouse, beige color with kalamkari leaf buttas, border, kaddi border and kalamkari border. And ee saree pricing and details 15,120. It's a khadi tussar. Beautiful, very pretty saree. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Yeah. Let me show you this grey color saree. Very lovely peacock. And butterflies kuda chaala pretty ga unnai. మనం కావాలంటే బటర్ఫ్లైస్ కలర్లో ఉన్న బ్లౌజ్ కూడా టీమప్ చేయొచ్చు. హాఫ్ వైట్ చాలా గార్జియస్గా ఉంటుంది. గ్రేకి హాఫ్ వైట్ అనేది వండర్ఫుల్ కాంబినేషన్. సో మనం అలా వేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇలా వేసుకోవచ్చు. దీంట్లో ఉన్న కలంకారీ బ్లౌజ్ కూడా అప్పుడప్పుడు అలా వేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. And for customized blouses like this gorgeous blouses, contact our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Let's see another saree. Yeah, Tassa Kalamkari. Super gorgeous beige color saree. It's a nice mauve and beige shades lo undi. Very pretty blend. And all over body beautiful goddess dolls vachai. Goddess motifs vachai, as well as with florals and leaves. Everything is hand painted and lovely khadi border. Pallu, beautiful. Wow, I'll show you like this. So lovely a theme andi with lot drama. Very lovely with zari lines and huge goddess motifs vachai. Everything is hand painted. Let me show you the blouse. Kalamkaris are so royal and so elegant untai. And this is the blouse, mustard color with leaves and border, hand painted and border, kaddi border. And the saree price 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code Q592. Send us on 733-733-7000. Another saree. Yeah. Wow, beautiful Tassa Kalamkari, which is in maroonish color, light pink and maroon shades. Ala unnai. All over oka floral jal with beautiful peacocks, leaves and florals, and lovely plain contrast border with temples. Idi Bagalpuri tussar andi, and beautiful pallu which is in contrast, ikat design complete, and blouse plain with border, self color border. And ee saree pricing and details 13,760. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. So lovely. Let's see another saree. It's a pure silk, very pretty, a pure Mysore crepe silk andi. Dani paina manaki kalamkari, which is an indigo blue shade and half white combination. Very lovely and graceful, and beautiful stems, lotus motifs, leaves, mushrooms, daffodils, flowers here. Very pretty. And the border floral vines in kalamkari hand paint, as well as zari cross kaddi border. It's a contrast border which is in half white color. This is the pallu, complete florals and beautiful peacock. Let me show you the blouse. Yeah. Blouse వచ్చేసి half white plain with border. చాలా అందంగా ఉంది సారీ, అండ్ సో సాఫ్ట్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అండ్ వెరీ ఫాలింగ్ ఉంది. చాలా బాగుంది సారీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 13,200. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful. Very soft andi. Another saree. One more crepe, pure crepe silk, which is in blue color, indigo blue. Beautiful floral jar all over, floral vines and lovely floral border, as well as zari border, cross kaddi. And this is the pallu. Let me show you the pallu. Beautiful, very pretty lady, just talking with some discussion with deers. Very lovely deers, so pretty. And downside we got floral vines borders. చాలా రియల్ లైఫ్కి చాలా దగ్గరగా ఉంటాయండి కలంకారీ ప్రింట్స్ అనేవి, చాలా నేచర్కి దగ్గరగా ఉంటాయి. అండ్ లెట్ మీ షో యూ ద బ్లౌజ్. యా, దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్. Contrast beige color with complete floral jal along with the zari border. So pretty. And ఇది కూడా చాలా సాఫ్ట్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అండి. ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ చాలా సాఫ్ట్గా ఉంది. And ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 12,800. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree. Wow, very pretty pista green shade kalamkari tussar. Idi tussar fabric. Nenu prati oka saree ki fabric cheptunanandi. Lovely florals with beautiful peacocks, leaves and huge flowers. And border vachesi thread lines, black color thread lines, contrast border. And this is the pallu with peacocks, beautiful peacocks, lines and florals. Blouse, wow, contrast with thread lines and borders, so lovely. And ee saree pricing and details 11,680. Take a screenshot along with the code Q100. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. Let me show you one more beautiful saree. Wow, very pretty kalamkari silk saree, which is in beige color all over, shawl stems with beautiful florals, daffodils and lotus. Very pretty. And border chesi down and upper side and down side we got very lovely lotus andi with maroon and blue color. And oka 1 inch asal black border ochindalla. And this is the pallu. Very lovely pallu with beautiful peacock. Contrast pallu, which is in maroonish red color. And blouse is also contrast maroonish color red with border and kalamkari hand painted florals. Chala graceful ga undi and very gorgeous, and it's a silk fabric. 4,800 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code K494. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this saree overall look once. Lovely Bagalpuri kalamkari, very lovely, which is in blue color and double borders all over, stems with lotus, florals and leaves. Everything is in hand painted. Border contrast, downside we got dark green and upper side we got pink color, plain with temples. And this is the pallu. Ikat style lo ochindi. We got ikat design along with the zari lines. Blouse. Yeah. Contrast. Plain with borders. Borders and endukanante kalamkari vachindi, plain border vachindi. And ee saree pricing and details 13,200. Take a screenshot along with the code M456. Send us on 733 733 7000. Code easy ga undandi M456. So lovely. So indaka nenu chuinchanu kada beige color kalamkari silk saree. Let's have a quick look. Chala beautiful ga undi. Now back to our collection. Wow, one more pretty tussar kalamkari saree, and actually anni hand painted sarees and anni sarees adbhuta ani cheppali. Beautiful style, a very unique designs untai, and maniki di chala different ga vachindi. I'll explain you in detail. Half and half antaru. We got like this in the middle. Pleats ki manaki saree ki ila vastundi. Pink color lo complete floral vines. A typical kalamkari florals andi. Kalamkari ante manaki leaves flowers chudangane adi kalamkari ani ardham ayipotundi. So typical kalamkari design and for pleats, and ikkad nunchi manaki shoulder part దగ్గర nunchi we got very lovely design ila vastundi. Beautiful shoulder part. Wow, so lovely goddess motifs, very pretty horse. Wow, see, and downside again we got kalamkari printed florals and leaves. Khaddi border. Idu vachesi manaki fabric tussar, very fine tussar, pure tussar silk, and this is the pallu. So complete manaki god motifs ivvadam jarigindi line ga. చాలా అందంగా ఉంది కదా. ఇది ఇలా చూస్తే తెలుస్తుందండి ఈ సారీ. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి మనకి దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్, ఇండిగో కలర్, ఇండిగో బ్లూ విత్ గార్జియస్ జరీ లైన్స్ అండ్ బార్డర్. కాంబినేషన్ మాత్రం అదిరిపోయింది. సో బ్యూటిఫుల్, సో గార్జియస్ అండి, చాలా లవ్లీగా ఉంది. ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి ఓన్లీ 10,720. టేక్ a screenshot along with the code Q116. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. Another saree. It's a silk, pure pattu saree. Beautiful black color kalamkari. So pretty peacocks, and upper side we got floral vines. Lovely peacocks, florals. And this is the pallu. Complete peacocks vachandi. Yeah, like this. Pallu, huge peacocks. సారీ వచ్చేసి ఇలా వచ్చింది, పింక్ అండ్ బ్లాక్, హాఫ్ అండ్ హాఫ్ లాగా. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కడ్డీ బార్డర్ విత్ బ్లూ ఎడ్జ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్. సెల్ఫ్ కలర్, ప్లెయిన్ విత్ బార్డర్స్. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. $13,200. Take a screenshot along with the code. Send us on 733 733 7000. And ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Another saree, very lovely green color, mint green shade. Beautiful colorful florals all over body. Border, thread border. It's a tussar kalamkari. This is the pallu. Actually పల్లూస్ అన్ని మనకి ఇలా చూయిస్తేనే మీకు క్లియర్గా తెలిసిపోతుంది. I'll show you the pallu like this. Gent peacocks, dual peacocks with very pretty flowers and downside floral jal border. So good, gorgeous, చాలా బాగుంది. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి వావ్, నాకు ఇలా ఉంటే చాలా ఇష్టం అండి. స్ట్రైప్స్ వచ్చి బ్లౌజ్కి చాలా ప్రెటీగా ఉంటుంది. ఫ్యూ ఆఫ్టర్ స్టిచ్చింగ్ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది బ్లౌజ్. కాంట్రాస్ట్ బేజ్ కలర్ విత్ లైన్స్ అండ్ బార్డర్, సో లవ్లీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 11,680. Take a screenshot along with the code T589. Send us on 733 733 7000. సో ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా బ్లాక్ అండ్ పింక్ ఇలా హాఫ్ అండ్ హాఫ్. సో లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Now let's see another sari. Wow, so beautiful. Tussar kalamkari, light mint green shade, very beautiful. All over hand painted florals and leaves. And this is the border. Colorful multi-color peacocks. ఎంత ముద్దుగా ఉన్నాయి peacocks. It's a light peach color shade లో వచ్చాయి peacocks. This is the pallu. Wow. Beautiful god and goddess motifs. Very lovely. And blouse, contrast plain with border. So pretty. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ కూడా ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code T625. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, lovely mustard tussar silk saree with beautiful florals and daffodil flowers, very pretty florals, and border, kaddi border, pallu, contrast with goddess motifs with elephants, zari lines, and blouse is also contrast with florals and border, kaddi border. And the saree price 11,000. Take a screenshot along with the code Q112. Send us on 733 733 7000. And ఇలా sarees కి ఇలా కస్టమైజ్ బ్లౌజెస్ కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చండి. Isn't it pretty? చాలా బాగా మ్యాచ్ అయిపోయింది కదా. అండ్ ఇలాంటి కస్టమైజ్ బ్లౌజెస్ కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు టస్సర్ కలంకారీస్ కి. And for customized blouses, contact none other than our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా. Let's have a quick look. This pretty tussar, very pretty tussar. సో ఇంకా చాలా సారీస్ ఉన్నాయండి. లెట్స్ సీ. యా, బ్యూటిఫుల్ టస్సర్ కలంకారీ, half and half saree. This is for pleats and saree, and this is for the shoulder part. Very lovely pallu part with goddess motifs, god and goddess motifs, beautiful peacocks, lovely pallu, peacocks with zari lines, and blouse plain contrast with self colored lines with border, zari lines వచ్చాయి with border. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది సారీ మాత్రం. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 11,000. Take a screenshot along with the code Q127. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, yeah, sorry, yeah, here it is. Yes, lovely kalamkari tussar which is in charcoal grey, beautiful god motifs, very pretty god motifs, and lovely kaddi border, pallu, very pretty peacocks and florals, god motifs, goddess motifs, and blouse వచ్చేసి We got a contrast blouse, printed kalamkari hand painted with border. Chala pretty ga undi. And ee saree pricing and details 11,000. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Beautiful silk, which is in blue shade. Very pretty Lord Krishna motifs with florals and leaves, and downside we got very pretty cows here. Where downside goal antar kada, and Lord Krishna annappudu goal kuda untayi and chuttuta. And this is the border, kaddi border. This is the beautiful, very lovely pallu. Wow, such an awesome pallu, which is in yellow color, and very pretty statue motif of Lord Krishna, and with lovely cows beside him, both sides. And let me show you the blouse. So lovely masterpiece, and it's a pure silk. This is the blouse, lime yellow with floral motifs, kalamkari and border. And ee saree pricing and details 13,200. ఇలాంటి ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ మాస్టర్ పీసెస్ అస్సలు మిస్ చేసుకోకూడదండి. టేక్ ఎ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ అండ్ సెండ్ us on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. అనేది సారీ వెరీ ప్రెటీ పింక్ కంచి సారీ, కంచి కలంకారీ, బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లోరల్స్, డీర్స్. సో ప్రెటీ, సో కలర్ఫుల్ పళ్ళు. యూజువల్లీ కలంకారీలో డార్క్ కలర్స్ అనేది చాలా రేర్గా వస్తుందండి. అండ్ ఇట్ చాలా ప్రెటీగా ఉంది. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బార్డర్, కంచి బార్డర్, డైమండ్ బ్రికేట్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పళ్ళు, బ్యూటిఫుల్ మోటివ్స్, గాడ్ మోటివ్స్. బ్లౌజ్ blue color, hand paint with border, kalamkari hand paint as well as border. And the saree pricing and details 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's have a look into this beautiful Krishna kalamkari saree. Very lovely. పళ్ళు అయితే తెగ నచ్చేసింది నాకు. వాటర్ ట్రీ అండ్ దోస్ కౌస్, వెరీ డివైన్, వెరీ డివైన్. ఇంకా చాలా సారీస్ ఉన్నాయండి. లవ్లీ బేజ్ టస్సర్ కలంకారీ, బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ florals and leaves and plain border, contrast with the temples. And this is the pallu, which is in Bagalpuri tussar andi. And pallu vachesi ikat style lo undi, contrast. Blouse plain, contrast. And ee saree pricing and details 14,000. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. So beautiful. Yeah, another tussar kalamkari, which is in mustard yellow with very pretty multicolor florals and leaves, border, contrast, kaddi, dark black color with kaddi. And this is the pallu, beautiful peacocks in rounds, fishes in rounds. A different shade, chala different ga undi. And this is the blouse, contrast all over, kalamkari hand paint with border. And ee saree pricing and details 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah, one more saree. Yeah, Bagalpuri tussar, beautiful grey, complete motifs వచ్చాయండి. ఒక విలేజ్ థీమ్ లాగా చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ హ్యాండ్ పెయింట్, Beautiful borders, up side, up and down we got different borders. Ganga Jamuna borders with burnt rusty color and green color along with the temples. And this is the ikat pallu, beautiful zari lines, kadi lines as well as ikat design, and border contrast plain with border. And ee sari pricing and details 15,120. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 One more gorgeous sari, Tassa Kalamkari, olive green shade with beautiful florals, leaves as well as fishes, and border, thread border. This is the pallu, beautiful fishes, and blouse. Yeah, I love this kind of blouses. Contrast blouse with lines and border, thread lines. 12,000 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code O582. Send us on 733 Very graceful. Tassa Kalamkari, which is in beige color, all over beautiful multi-color florals, purple and green, and this is the kadi border contrast. Beautiful pallu with huge peacocks and zari lines and floral vines. Blouse indigo blue, all over hand painted kalamkari florals along with the kadi border. And the sari price 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 Another sari. Yeah. Lovely black kalamkari, tassel kalamkari, beautiful florals and leaves, and downside we got peacocks and border, floral vines border. Pallu, very pretty god motif, very big, and blouse, wow, very nice color, plain and the contrast blouse with border. You know, blue and black ఈ మధ్యన బాగా రన్నింగ్ అండ్ చాలా యూనిక్గా ఉంటుంది కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. బ్లూ విత్ బ్లాక్ కాంబినేషన్ ట్రై చేయండి మీరు కూడా, బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. 10,720 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code. Send us on 733 very innovative గా ఉంటుంది. Have one saree and blue and black combination, purple color, and this is maroon color kalamkari, tassa kalamkari with all over hand painted florals and leaves, and a bunch of grapes here, very lovely rose buds and floral vines border. This is the pallu, very lovely, beautiful Lord Vishnu, చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. అండ్ ఇవి అకేషనల్గా ఫెస్టివ్ సీజన్లో వేసుకుంటే బాగుంటుందండి, బికాస్ గాడ్స్ వచ్చారు కాబట్టి దీన్ని కొంచెం మనం చాలా పవిత్రంగా నీట్గా వేసుకోవాలి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్, గ్రే కలర్, ప్లెయిన్ విత్ బార్డర్. ఓకే, ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 Another saree, grey khadi kalamkari, beautiful cows all over body, very pretty god motifs and cows. And this is the contrast border, which is in blue color, sea blue, sea green shades, thread border and temples. Pallu, beautiful floral vines and thread borders. And this is the blouse, contrast plain with border. It's a khadi. Price 17,000. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 Yeah, one more saree. kalamkari silk, beautiful florals with fishes and dual peacocks and rounds, floral vines border. It's a pure silk and lovely pallu with god motifs. Beautiful ladies, pretty ladies on pallu. Blouse, yeah, contrast beige color floral vines. And e saree price 12,640. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. Another saree, very lovely. Another saree వచ్చేస్తుంది. Beautiful pure crepe kalamkari, very soft fabric అండి. మనకి కాక్స్ వచ్చాయండి లోపల, కోడి పుంజులు అంటారు తెలుగులో, ఇన్ రౌండ్స్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బార్డర్, maroon color contrast with floral vines, and this is the pallu with lovely peacocks. Blouse, contrast mustard with all over kalamkari print and border. And e saree pricing and details 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. Yeah, one more saree, very lovely kanchi kalamkari, beautiful color beige, చాలా కలర్ఫుల్గా వచ్చాయండి. ఇప్పుడు చాలా ఎట్లా అంటే కొంచెం సటిల్ కలర్స్ ఉంటుండే, కొంచెం బ్రైట్ కలర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి ఇందులో. సో వెరీ గుడ్, చేంజ్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ గుడ్. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలర్స్ అవి కూడా, ఆరెంజ్, yellow, గ్రీన్, వెరీ వైబ్రెంట్ షేడ్స్. కట్టుకుంటే చాలా కలర్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. ఎలిఫెంట్స్ వచ్చాయి, మనకి పీకాక్స్ వచ్చాయి, డీస్ వచ్చాయి with kanchi border, diamond brocade border, and this is the pallu with beautiful florals, elephants, and blouse contrast blue color with florals and kanchi border. And the saree price 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. Another gorgeous saree, Tussar kalamkari, which is in indigo blue with all over florals and leaves and lovely kaddi border. Beautiful pallu with peacocks and zari lines, and blouse contrast plain beige color with border. Simple and sweet. And e saree price 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. And for more collections, log on to our website, that is www.brandwandar.com. You can find more collection there. And this saree vachesi light grey and beige mixed shades lo undi with huge stems, but and this is the kaddi border, and this is the pallu, blouse కాంట్రాస్ట్ పీచ్ సేమ్ ప్రింట్ అండి విత్ బార్డర్. మనకి బాడీలో ఎలాంటి ప్రింట్ వచ్చిందో అలాగే వచ్చింది. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 12,000. Very pretty. Yet you can take a screenshot like this for pricing and details. Let's see another saree. Lovely beige, pure silk, beautiful stems and flowers, kaddi border, and this is the pallu, beautiful pallu, and blouse plain with border. And ee saree pricing and details 12,800 is the price. Very pretty. Next saree. Wow. Lovely kalamkari silk. Grey color with beautiful doll motifs. Very pretty and tribe laga undi, oka tribe theme la, oka village theme laga undi. Human motifs, and this is the floral vines border, and this is the pallu. Beautiful dolls. Wow, very lovely ladies on it. And this is the blouse. Contrast with buttas and border. Everything is in kalamkari. Hand paint. So graceful. 17,680 is the price. This is a pure silk. Take a screenshot along with the code C76. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Grey color. Complete florals. Beautiful. Lord Krishna. This is the kaddi border. And this is the pallu. Beautiful. And this is the blouse. Florals along with the border. Beige color, and the saree price 14,400. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. And lovely beige plain tussar saree. Downside we got goddess motifs with florals and lovely khadi border, and lovely pallu with huge peacocks and zari lines. Contrast pallu, and the blouse is also contrast black color with kalamkari florals and border. And the saree price 10,720. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. So you no need to worry అండి, లైవ్ వీడియో సేవ్ అయి ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మీకు 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా ఈ సారీ చూసి మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇండిగో బ్లూ షేడ్లో ఉంది. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి, అండ్ అప్పర్ సైడ్ వి గోట్ డిఫరెంట్ గాడ్ మోటివ్స్ with water bubbles, and this is the pallu. Very pretty zari lines and florals, and blouse vachesi contrast plain with border. It's a tussar kalamkari, and the saree price 12,000. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah, another saree. Lovely green shade tussar kalamkari with all over hand painted florals and lovely contrast border with temples. This is the pallu, ikat style, ikat design complete. It's a bagalpuri tussar blouse, self contrast plain, and the saree price 16,240. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. One more beautiful saree. Wow. It's a khadi kalamkari, which is in dark grey, charcoal grey with beautiful florals and stems. And this is the border. Upper side we got red color, downside we got purple. And this is the pallu. Beautiful ikka design. Blouse vachesi. This is the blouse. One second. Yeah, beautiful blouse, contrast plain with border, and e saree price 13,200. Take a screenshot along with the code U314. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's move to the mannequin sarees and their prices. Beautiful florals, beige and green combination, very pretty. It's a tussar fabric, colorful florals and leaves, lovely kaddi border. This is the pallu, zari lines, peacocks, అండ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మనకి పల్లికి లాగా వచ్చిందండి, పల్లికి విత్ వెరీ ప్రెటీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 And blouse, very pretty blouses from our brand. R for Rupamani, and for customized blouses contact our brand. Another saree, it's a pure silk, beautiful pink color, so pretty florals, elephants and gorgeous border. Wow, leaves and florals, dark pink andi. And this is the lovely pallu with fish and lotus floral borders, very lovely and very pretty blouse, and it's not included in the saree. And the saree price 31,999. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 and it's a Gadwal silk saree. Another saree, wow, so gorgeous andi, beige color with chinna hand paint ochindi, beautiful and very pretty border. It's a khadi kalamkari, beautiful border, maroon color. It's a white color, silver thread color, florals along with the temples, and very pretty pallu. So classy and so fabulous. And the saree price 16,400. Take a screenshot along with the code U317. Send us on 733 And this beautiful blouse is from our brand again. R for Rupamani and the brand from Brand Wonder, which is exclusive for the unique designs. So wedding season వచ్చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి do visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilees near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad, and we are taking every precautions in this pandemic, so come safely and have a happy shopping with us. And ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం చూసిన కలెక్షన్స్ ఒకసారి let's have a quick look. If you missed any saree, take a screenshot now. Anyhow, you have a 24 hours time కాబట్టి 24 hours ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు నచ్చిన శారీని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు. చూసారు కదండి, బట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ లవ్లీ. నాకు టైం సరిపోతుంది కలంకారీ చేసిన రోజు, బికాస్ ఒక్కొక్క శారీ ఒక్కొక్క యూనిక్ డిజైన్తో ఫ్యాబ్యులస్గా పెయింట్ చేస్తారు. సో అమేజింగ్ కలెక్షన్స్. సో మీకు నచ్చిన శారీని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా సెండ్ చేయొచ్చు. వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్కి యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్. అండ్ ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి ఈ లైవ్ వీడియో ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇప్పటికి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, IGTV as well as YouTube. సో ఫాలోస్ రెగ్యులర్లీ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, యూట్యూబ్ అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్. సో రేపటి లైవ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అంటిల్ దెన్ గుడ్ బై, టేక్ కేర్, లవ్ యూ ఆల్.